Do you know that more than 80% of Indian population do not meet their daily protein intake? Hi, I'm Bhashwati Chakravarti, founder of Nutricona. Today going to discuss about protein and why it is so important for us. Protein is the basic building block of life and हमारे लिए सबसे vital nutrient है. Why so? Because more than 60% of dry weight of our body cell is made up of protein. Protein क्या नहीं बनाता? Hair, nails, skin, bones, all the enzymes and hormones are made up of protein. Protein also acts as the chemical messenger between your organs and tissues. Let's talk about the myths of protein. लोगों को क्या लगता है only gym goers या athletes उनको ही प्रोटीन चाहिए होता है या फिर डेली जो हम खाना खाते हैं उसी में मेरा प्रोटीन इंटेक पूरा हो जाता है. Otherwise, high intake of protein may lead to weight gain and bulky body. But it's not so true because as per the survey, today also more than 80% of Indian population do not meet their protein requirement. इसका मतलब हम daily protein नहीं ले रहे अपने diet में. The study is so astonishing that more than 53% of youth population do not know what is the right source of protein for them. Globally, when protein intake is rising and it is on an average 67 gram per person per day, India has the lowest protein consumption, that is around 47 gram per person per day. Whereas according to ICMR, Indian Council of Medical Research, हर किसी को 0.8 to 1 gram of protein per kg per day लेना चाहिए. However, it may differ with age factor, your weight, your gender. For example, lactating women, pregnant women and athletes may require up to 2 gram per kg per day of protein intake in their daily life. Why protein is so important for fitness? Because protein keeps you full for a longer duration of time. जो weight loss कर रहे हैं वो कम calories लेते हैं और जो athletes हैं वो अपने activities में ज़्यादा calories burn कर लेते हैं, तो दोनों ही बहुत जल्दी hungry या भूखा महसूस करते हैं. That's why protein intake is very important for them because it will not only keep you full for a longer period of time but also increase your metabolism speed क्योंकि इसमें thermic energy ज़्यादा होता है as compared to carbohydrate. So stop crunching for more snacks. Have protein shake और protein in your diet. Protein बनता amino acid से है और उनमें से जो leucine amino acid है वो बहुत ही important है muscle building के लिए. So overall, protein plays an important role in growth, muscle repair and post-workout recovery. प्रोटीन का मात्रा सही होने से not only we lead an active lifestyle but also feel less fatigued. But keep in mind, stay hydrated when you increase your protein diet on a daily basis. Let's talk about the sources of protein. Like I said, over 53% of youth doesn't have the right access to nutrition. तो प्रोटीन मिलता कहाँ से है? It can be animal based and also plant based. Animal based such as meat, poultry, fish, dairy products, and in plant based sources like we have nuts, seeds, tofus and dal pulses. Whereas to select the right source of protein is very important for you क्योंकि सारे source of protein में सारे essential amino acids नहीं रहते. Study says plant-based protein does not contain all the EAAs, but milk or whey protein, egg and soy protein contain all the essential amino acids and considered as the healthiest and nutritious form of protein for human beings. लोगों की कॉमन कंफ्यूजन ही यही है कि प्रोटीन कब लेना चाहिए, कब नहीं लेना चाहिए, क्या मैं रात को ले सकता हूँ, क्या मैं दिन में खा सकता हूँ. So the best answer is you can have protein throughout the day. But it is very important to take at least 20 to 30 gram of protein post workout within 20 to 30 minutes. Whereas रात को प्रोटीन इंटेक रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है because रात को हमारी बॉडी सबसे ज़्यादा रिपेयर एंड रिकवरी का काम करता है. इसीलिए kick start your day with a protein rich diet but also don't forget it to have it post your workout and also at night time. So protein से related आपके क्या confusions है? Drop down in our comment box. We will get back to you shortly. Till then, stay tuned, stay updated. Thank you.